Gives us an opportunity to bring in our guest for this hour. Joining us from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, criminal defense attorney Michael Gottlieb. Michael, great to see you. We're hearing this theme from the defense already, especially if we add it to what we heard in the opening statements. No collision, all collusion. That is what they want to hammer home for this jury. Tell me about what you think the average juror likely thinks when they hear that this Lexus SUV, fairly new within the last few years, Lexus, that it did not record a collision. Is the average juror going to say, if I hit someone with my car and the taillight is busted, I would expect a Lexus to record that?
Yeah, so I think, juries today are in tune with, scientific evidence. Juries believe that there's a certain amount of credibility that can't be manipulated. And that since the genesis of the defense here is, look, somebody did something, but it wasn't me. There's been collusion, as you said, by whether it's law enforcement or somebody else. And here we have a scientist who's going through the data that was created by somebody completely unrelated to the case. This is data, we believe it when we hear black boxes from airplanes. This is the same kind of technology. It's in a car, and it's there to give us unbiased information about how the car acted in an accident. So they're really setting a strong case for the fact that this car was not involved in an accident that caused the death, and therefore you should look to the fact that there might be some other circumstances that caused his death.
AKA reasonable doubt, right, Michael? Let's get back into the courtroom, actually.